no script for this. There's no blueprint on how to operate a business in the middle of a pandemic.
As Hamilton County sees its biggest surge in COVID-19 cases since the start of the pandemic, several local restaurants are closing their doors this week. This is after different employees tested positive for the virus. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan spoke with one restaurant familiar with that problem and with the Cincinnati Health Department about what the public needs to know to stay safe.
There's no blueprint for how to do this right now. We're learning as we go.
About a month ago, Karrikin Spirits Company in Fairfax was one of the first restaurants around Cincinnati that had to figure out what to do when an employee tests positive for the coronavirus.
We're all in this together, and we just want to continue moving forward the best way we can. Karrikin has been and continues to be committed to offering the safest, cleanest, and most comfortable, but also enjoyable service possible when you come here.
Matt Groves says without clear guidelines from the city or state, Karrikin took extra steps to go above and beyond in its response. Every employee got tested for the virus, and the distillery shut down for 10 days for a medical grade deep cleaning. As other restaurants and bars start to face the same reality of employees catching COVID-19, some are turning to Karrikin for advice.
The biggest thing we'd say is transparency and honesty is key.
I think one of the issues is that this is new territory for everyone.
The Cincinnati Health Department says the state has put out guidelines for bars and restaurants with confirmed cases. Ohio requires those businesses to immediately isolate the employee, contact the local health department, and shut down for deep cleaning if possible. Rheingeist is closing its tap room for 2 days to allow every employee to get tested for COVID-19 and to deep clean the space after 2 workers tested positive for the virus. 5 OTR restaurants and bars owned by Daniel Wright shut down for employee tests and cleaning after 1 worker at Pontiac Barbecue likely tested positive.
Not just going into a restaurant and, conducting enforcement, but also educating and guiding, especially with regard to COVID-19.
The Cincinnati Health Department says it follows up with every restaurant that has a positive case to be sure the space is cleaned properly and all safety requirements are being followed. The department also emphasizes it is safe to go out to eat and be in public so long as you're following health and safety recommendations by wearing masks, washing hands, and sanitizing frequently. Reporting in OTR, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.